Hello, everyone. In this video we will show you how to update firmware. First step, we need to connect a USB to serial port cable. Next we will upgrade the firmware through the computer. Now, let's open the upgrade software. After opening the software, select the serial port first, and then click Open Serial Port. When the serial port is on, power on the H32BS. Then click the bootloader detect button within 5 seconds. When you see Go to bootloader OK, then click Open File, select the bin file and click Download. The next step will be to download the program. When you see data send complete, click Run and the H32BS will start working. Next, we will set the network parameters for the H32BS. First step, we need to connect a network cable. Step 2, open the IP scan software. We can use software to scan all the controllers in the LAN. Now that we have found the IP address of H32BS, the IP address is 192.168.1.200. Enter this IP into the web page to open the settings page. The default username and password are admin. This is the firmware version. You can use this parameter to determine whether the firmware has been updated. Step 3, set work mode to UDP and IP mode to Dhcp. UDP mode is used for remote control. When you're done, click the Save button. Finally, wait for the H32BS to restart automatically, and then you can use smart home apps to control it.